So after cleaning the sockets, I ended up realizing that this set right here, this set is a Matco tool set. Right here. Matco, and as you could believe me, Matco. This set new. This is a vintage set, I think. There's newer sets that go for $250. I'm just missing two. I'm missing a size 14 and a size, I think, 17. No, 18, 19, 17. I think it's a 15. I'm missing a 15. 14 and a 10. Yeah, I think a 14 and a 10. So yeah, so just this was like about, this could possibly new 250, used 150. That's what they go for on eBay. And not even mentioning all these sockets. But the other sockets, some sockets are mine. Yeah, but come up.